So our second commissioner in the house tonight, thank you for visiting the ERC booth. We have Commissioner Sarran. She's a representative of the women's constituency. So, Commissioner Sarran, we have a question for you tonight based on the 60th Independence Jubilee. Will you be able to answer the question? I'll try my best. All right, that's the energy. That's the energy. So, your question tonight is, what is the most important lesson the older generation can teach young people about Guyana's history? Very interesting. First of all, happy 60th Jubilee anniversary, and thank you very much, Anna. The older folks can teach the young generation love, peace, and unity. And how they can do that is by demonstration to appreciate each other's culture, just like we're experiencing tonight. All are sitting and they're enjoying each other's culture on the program. Thank you. All right, we really love that answer. Thank you so much for having us, Commissioner Sarran, to enjoy the rest of the festival.